Calculate market value added from the following information of Alpha Limited. Now, what is market value added? Market value added means the market capitalization of company. We are going to calculate the market capitalization first, and also we are going to check the book value of company, that is equity plus reserves, balance sheet value, and we will compare the balance sheet value with the market capitalization. So formula for market value added is market capitalization minus book value of net worth. What is net worth? On the liability side, you can look at equity and retained earning. This is the owned fund. This is the capital which is permanent capital of company. Permanent capital is also called as net worth. So you have to add equity plus retained earnings, you will get net worth. You can add now only 1200 plus 600, 1800. 1800 is the net worth. Next is profit after tax given in the question. PE ratio is given 2 times. Okay. Now first step is to calculate the market capitalization MPS into number of equity shares. मार्केट में जो कैप होता है, मार्केट कैप जो होता है वो उसका फॉर्मूला आपको याद रखना है, एमपीएस इनटू नंबर ऑफ इक्विटी शेयर्स. नाउ फर्स्ट स्टेप इज पीई रेशो. पीई रेशो काम आएगा हम लोगों को एमपीएस निकालने में. कैसे? पीई रेशो 2 टाइम्स है, इज इक्वल्स टू एमपीएस अपॉन ईपीएस. एमपीएस, we are not having MPS, we have to calculate MPS also. Because PE is given, you can calculate market price. First calculate the EPS. How many shares? 1200 lakhs. 1200 lakhs is the capital, equity capital amount, divided by 10. That means 120 lakhs equity shares. Okay. First calculate the number of equity shares. 1200 rupees 1200 lakhs divided by face value, you will get number of equity shares. ठीक है, 120. उसके बाद प्रॉफिट क्या है? 2271. इसको डिवाइड करेंगे 120 से. गिव मी आंसर इन द चैट बॉक्स. नमन जैन. Profit after tax divide by number of shares 120. 2271 divide by 120. Shiva Prasad. 18.9. Very good. So 18.9 is EPS. क्योंकि प्रेफरेंस डिविडेंड नहीं है इसमें, प्रेफरेंस कैपिटल नहीं है, तो डायरेक्टली हम लोगों ने 2271 को डिवाइड किया 120 से. ओके, रोल नंबर 15 ऑल्सो राइट. 18.925. 1200 डिवाइड बाय 10 करना है, नंबर ऑफ शेयर्स आ जाएगा 120. 2271 को आपको 120 से डिवाइड करना है, यू विल गेट EPS ऑफ 18.925. अब EPS आ गया तो E हम लोग को मालूम है, P निकालना है, प्राइस निकालना है. PE रेशियो इज इक्वल्स टू 2 इज इक्वल्स टू P अपॉन 18.925. नाउ मल्टीप्लाई 18.925 into 2. What is the price? Cross multiply 18.925 into 2. 37.85. Very good. Roll number 33 and roll number 15. Perfect. 37.85 is the market price. Now this price 37.85 is perfect. What is the next step? Multiply the shares, number of shares in the market. 1200 divided by 10. How many shares company is having outstanding in the market? How many shares are there in the market? It's very easy. 1200 divided by 10. How many shares? Write in the chat box. 120. Okay. 120 lakhs. Okay. 120 lakh shares multiplied by price. What was the price? 120 into 37.85. 4,542. Sachin Dubey and Naman Jain perfect. Shiva Prasad. 4,542 lakhs is the market capitalization of this Alpha Limited. Now Alpha is saying I have a net worth of 1800 lakhs. That is my own money, my permanent capital, my profit, that is my retained earning, and my equity capital. This amount is permanent capital. This is a net worth. I have 1800, 1200 plus 600, 1800. Now take out the difference of 4542 minus 1800. Formula of market value added is market capitalization minus book value of net worth. Shiva Prasad. 4542 minus 1800. Perfect. 2742. Shiva Prasad and Naman Jain. So, what is the answer? 2742 MVA market value added. कंपनी का बैलेंस शीट वैल्यू से कंपनी आज 4,542 lakhs पर पहुंच गई है. पहले इनकी वैल्यू सिर्फ 1800 थी, अब उसकी वैल्यू कंपनी की जो मार्केट वैल्यू एडिशन है वो हुई है 2742. नोट डाउन एवरीबडी. फर्स्ट step is market capitalization. Calculate the price of equity share. PE ratio is given MPS upon EPS. 2 is equals to MPS upon 18.925. EPS 18.925. 2271 divided by 120. MPS 37.85. Number of equity shares 120 lakhs. So price is 37.85. 37.85 into 120. 4542 is market capitalization. Calculation of book value of net worth. Net worth is equals to equity capital plus reserves and surplus. Net worth is equals to permanent capital of company 1200 plus 600, 1800 lakhs. MVA is equals to market value added is the difference between market capitalization and the permanent capital or the balance sheet value of equity plus reserves. Net worth means equity plus reserve. 4542 minus 1800. Value addition is in positive. Company is having positive MVA, which is showing that company has performed well in the market and it has a goodwill, very high goodwill in the market because of their good performance.